Hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars bringing you another figurized standard Kamen Rider build unboxing for my episode Mixerwars Unboxings. And there you have him, Kamen Rider build in his rabbit tank form. Best match! So here we can see build with his drill crusher and hits sword mode. Then off to the side, this is what we can see and what we can build. Yes, Kamen Rider build himself. So some action poses, and I love how the frames are acting like sprues. Since you know every time he transforms, there's a magical sprue that comes up and combines so that he can transform into Kamen Rider build. So yep, so the drill crusher right here that they provided can be turned into its sword form and gun form. And just a bit of a trivia for you, Kamen Rider build figurized standard was the first Kamen Rider to be turned into a kit. So there you have the overall look at the box. Now let's see what's inside. Right off the bat, we have one big plate with two stickers. So here, I'm guessing they did not turn the belt into a separate yellow part. So, yep. One plate with two of his main colors, red and blue. Red for the rabbit, blue for the tank. And last, we have the stand itself and more black parts. I think these are more of the joints. And of course, the instruction manual. So let's crack open the bags one by one to see what's inside. So first off, again, we have the A plate here, where we see more black parts. Two clear red parts for the rabbit, so the rabbit part of the rabbit visor here, and the rabbit bottom. A clear blue parts for the tank visor and the tank battle, and a silver parts for his drill crusher. So let's zoom in. So that's a part of the drill crusher. Yep. The tank part and the rabbit part. So there you have the A plate, folks. We then also have the B plate, which consists mostly of the blue parts of build's armor, the tank part. Yeah, so chest piece here, shoulder, feet, some parts for the legs, manipulators, and shoulder. So this is the B plate. And we have the C plate, the rabbit portion. So again, the chest, feet, support for the legs, manipulator, shoulder, yeah, all red parts. And we have a TCF or ABS parts, wherein this consists more on for the joints. So like I said, this was the very first Kamen Rider to be introduced as a figurized standard, followed by numerous Dragon Balls and Gundam characters. So I think that's one of the reasons why it has few plates. And yeah, the very last plate is of course the stand itself. And then we have the sticker sheet. So like I said, they do not have any parts for the yellow. They just provided the stickers. Also for the white, this is for the spring on his rabbit leg. And I think this goes at the back of the clear parts. So not much plates, right? Like I said, because it's the first Kamen Rider to turn into a figurized standard. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the figurized standard Kamen Rider build box. And surprisingly, a low number of runners or plates. But let's see, I think it's still a very exciting kit to build. So let's start the experiment later on. See what I did there? Okay. So again, please do subscribe, like, and view other videos if you are new to the channel. And once again, see you.